Hey again! I recently made this video about the umbrella in Alice Madness Returns and how to fix the umbrella block glitch. That's when I received a comment from this user. They tried everything and still couldn't get their umbrella to work. After going through a bunch of fixes and still no progress, I was beginning to think I couldn't help our dear friend. But that's when I found this mod, the AMR Tuner. Not only can you fix your umbrella block glitch, but this mod also allows you to play in 60 FPS and unlock DLC dresses and weapons. This mod helped Emo-chan fix their game, and it inspired me to make this video for you guys as well. So without further ado, here is how to install AMR Tuner and fix your piece of shit game that EA abandoned for no reason. Like, what the fuck, this game is still on version 1, but you guys come out with a new game. Madden every year. First, head on over to your favorite browser and type in Vortex Mod Manager. You don't have to download Vortex because this mod acts as an application. If you already have the app version, you can skip to 1 minute and 1 second in the video. Make an account and log in. Next, within Vortex, search for Alice Madness Returns Tuner or AMR Tuner. At the time of me recording and posting this video, there is only one available. It's made by this modder. Click on the mod. There are directions and tips on how to install this mod on the manual section of this page. So if you need to, you can pull up the manual. Click the tab that says Files. If you are playing on a display of less than 1080p, download the mini version. Otherwise, download the first option. There will be a pop-up that asks you to download some additional files. Please do that. Once the mod and extra files have finished downloading, extract the zip folder and run the .exe. There's going to be a pop-up from Windows Defender because it's worried about you and your safety. Just click on More Info and run anyway. Then AMR Tuner should open. Now we just have to set up AMR Tuner. First, click Browse and select where the game is installed on your computer. Second, set the frame rate and variable frame rate. I recommend setting them both to 60, but you may have to change it depending on your setup. Next, set your display resolution to whatever your setup allows. For me, that's 4K. Then, we're going to set the GPU memory pool. The modder suggests 1120. Lastly, decide if you would like the DLC weapons and dresses and click that button. Also, you can decide if you want to see the intro video in the beginning. If you would like to watch it, leave it on always view. Otherwise, set it to always skip. You can also set your preferred language at this time. Finally, apply the changed settings and launch the game. The modder added in this handy dandy shortcut so you can launch the game from the app. Test your umbrella in-game and make sure it works. If you experience any camera shakiness or problems with camera speed, try checking or unchecking the variable frame rate box. Now you can enjoy your fully functional umbrella and new DLC goodies in peace. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment or join my Discord. I will link my Discord and the link for this mod in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate any support you guys give, and I really hope this helped you guys out. Shout out to Emo-chan for inspiring this video. Have a good day, night, wherever you are, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!